Hello great people, it's wonderful to meet you again. In this video we will learn 10 quick and easy way to generate serial numbers. Generally we see the serial number that belongs to left of any particular table. But as our intention is to look at different ways of generating numbers, so we have keeping the methods at the right side. Before move on to data, please subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon. So first method is use the heading row as a serial number. Means we can consider these rows as a serial number. Now see second function. Just type 1 in this cell and now in second cell type is equal to previous cell reference plus 1 and press enter. Now simply drag down the formula below. Now you can see the result. We have generated serial number 1 to 12. Third method is to fill handle. Means just type 1, drag down below, and as we do this, now click here autofill option and lastly click fill series option. Method number 4 is autofill operation. Here type 1, go to the home, click here editing portion, click at fill, drop down list will appear, click at series, window will appear. In series in portion click column because we want to generate serial numbers in column. Step value will remain 1 and now give stop value. It's up to you how many values you want to generate. Suppose we want to generate 1 to 12 serial number. So type 12, press OK. We have generated 1 to 12 serial number by using autofill operation. Now the fifth method is fill series. Type 1, then 2, select 1 and 2, double click here. So serial number automatically present the value 1 to 12. Method number 6 is row function. Here simply type is equal to row and minus 1. Minus 1 means ignoring the above cell where we have heading. If we want to generate serial number from third row, we ignore first two cells and replace minus 1 to minus 2. And we will see the serial number will start from 1. Method number is 7, that is count a function. Simply we will type is equal to count a cell reference with the absolute referencing. Now type colon, first cell reference, bracket close and press enter and drag down the formula below. So this way we can easily generate serial number. Now the method number is 8, that is subtotal function. Type is equal to subtotal type 3 for count a function, comma, give cell reference with absolute referencing, colon, first cell reference, bracket close and press enter and drag down the formula below. So result is clear. Now the method number is 9. We will use if function and count function by ignoring the blank cell. So simply we will type is equal to if cell reference is equal to quotation marks, comma, quotation marks with one space, comma, then count a function, cell reference with absolute referencing, colon and give first cell reference and bracket close and press enter and drag down the formula below. So result is presenting if we have one or more empty cell in this column, serial number will never appear. Last but not least, that is method number is 10. If we want to show any text with serial number, then we have to type is equal to quotation marks open serial number sr dot quotation marks close, ampersand, count a function, first cell reference with absolute referencing, colon and first cell reference, bracket close and press enter and drag down the formula below. So you can see serial number given with text. So you can see that which method is not useful because when we add or delete any row, so concerned method give a wrong serial number. इस वीडियो को देखने का आपका बहुत शुक्रिया। सब्सक्राइब, कमेंट, लाइक एंड शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा।